All right, guys, this is our mixer break here, 2018 football. We have a first off the line, two boxer. First up, Contenders. And then we'll finish with the EMAC. Good luck to everybody. Again, all cards from this will ship. Let's see what we got. Been a while since we opened some 2018 products. 3 quarterbacks playing the playoffs this weekend. Let's see what we got. There's a Pat Mahomes base on the bottom. Again, I will ship everything from this. It's a Chiefs insert of Tony Gonzalez. And we get to all the good stuff here. Bradley Chubb, Rookie of the Year insert. We got a Falcons team quad. MVP, Phillip Rivers, Chargers. All right, there is the red parallel. That is Blake Bortles, Jaguars. That's one of the first off the line exclusives. The Nick Chubb, Rookie of the Year insert, Cleveland Browns. All right, so there's the round numbers again. I was going to say this one went to the one on the left or on the top. So this is going to go to the Ravens. Round numbers is Jaleel Scott and Jamon Moore. There's a Jimmy Garoppolo MVP Contenders for the Niners. And Mason Rudolph, Rookie of the Year insert, Steelers. All right, where are all the autographs in this? Must all be hide on this side. Here comes one. All right, this is the playoff ticket autograph number 99 of 99 of Traquan Smith for the Saints. That one goes to Eric S. Round numbers. This is Terrell and Tremaine Edmonds. Goes to the Steelers. They're on the left. Kerryon Johnson. Lions. Rookie of the Year insert. All right, autograph. Next up is New England Patriots. It is Riley McCarron. A Raiders team quad. Next up, we've got legendary Dan Marino for the Dolphins. All right, autograph. This one is Dorrance Armstrong Jr. for the Cowboys. And then a Sam Darnold, Rookie of the Year. All right, round numbers insert. This one goes to the Browns, Baker Mayfield and Sam Darnold. And we got Josh Rosen, Cardinals. That is the red foil. First off the line exclusive. Josh Rosen. That one goes to Blake. DJ Intino taking that one home. Deshaun Watson MVP. Lamar Jackson Rookie of the Year. Insert Ravens. Hold on 1 second, honey, okay?
Millie's home, but
okay, hold on 1 second.
Her new look.
I would love to see it. Hold on 1 second. All right, this one is going to go to the Titans. This is Austin Prohl. Rookie ticket. And then Jerry Rice Legendary for the Niners. And our last pack. We got an Ezekiel Elliott MVP Contenders for the Cowboys to round it on out. All right, Josh Rosen. We got one of the quarterbacks, not the one we wanted, obviously. We did hit a quarterback. All right, EMAC. Let's go. Come on. No redemptions. Start things off with Chiefs. This is your first off the line exclusive base parallel 11 of 14 Kareem Hunt. Next up, we've got a Mason Rudolph. Player caps 15 of 15 for the Steelers. It's a cool looking piece. It's a team that went pretty late, I think. Let's see, for the Falcons, we've got 5 of 15 Ito Smith. Adidas shoe piece. And right behind that, we've got a 1 of 1 tag patch rookie autograph. And it is Mike Gesicki for the Dolphins. Goes to Sunny SoCal. 3rd round pick. 1 of 1 Mike Gesicki. Alright, then are you freaking kidding me? Then we've got 16 of 99 OJ Howard for the Bucks. Goes to G-Burger. And I guess it's just a Josh Rosen type of day. Rookie patch autograph, first off the line exclusive. For the Cardinals, 4 of 12, Josh Rosen. Going to Blake. Wow. I don't think I could possibly do that again if I tried. Alright guys, that will do it for round number 1. Would have been big pulls a couple years ago. I will get it all packed up and shipped out ASAP.